Alright, we are pulling out some Arborvitae root balls. Getting them strapped up nice. I think this is definitely the easiest way here.
We'll take it easy.
Especially because we're all around this conduit, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just have the windows down and I'll go real slow.
Yes.
Alright, we definitely did something that time. Holy shit! Oh my god!
What? I'm gonna do all that.
Holy shit! I didn't know it was gonna rip that much up, bro.
He didn't take off like a man.
That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. Alright, and if you don't want to be a lazy bastard and pull it out with the truck, you can probably just dig a little circle around it. Save yourself a lot of time regrading.